yeah
แต่ว่าเที่ย1 มื้อ 1ซื่อๆดอกมันก็บ่ได้อันนั้นแบบ
like Zumba
ค่ะ
yeah then she don't want me to do anything not attack with you know what all those kind of stuff yeah
no got the some
what you send him
สเต็กค่ะนะสเต็กส่งสเต็กไปเพราะว่ามันคือว่าเปิดเดย์แล้วก็ปีใดกับบ่ได้ขายเด็กน้อยมีอย่างจังเทื่อนะแบบ
Hello everybody welcome to Naly kitchen today I going to make goi pork salad okay and the first thing I barbecue the pork then I slice really thin like this then this is pork skin I take out from here then I boil then I cut small piece like this okay this is pork skin and meat okay and break a little bit because it's stick together hot water maybe tablespoon because it's too dry I add some lime leaf and lemongrass this one less tablespoon of chili powder teaspoon of MSG teaspoon of salt a little bit chicken flavor fish sauce add some red onion and Thai chili let me taste a little bit how it go good rice powder it's ข้าวคั่ว 1 tablespoon last one I'm gonna add some cilantro and green onion see หิวข้าวเลยได้ป่ะนี่ It's make me hungry now okay เห็นปะpork salad okay guys today is the pork salad goi sin mu is done for tonight please follow Naly kitchen like please subscribe for me and thumb up for me see you next video guys bye bye